Oh, you poor, poor M3. Oh, who's done this to you? Yes, and I know. You'd rather be on a racetrack, but you have to be here. Hey, you know my kitchen countertops? Yeah, just like that. Alright, the music kind of finally piped down a bit. Alright, so I'm here at the Get Low on the Strip car show. It's just a giant car show they're having on an airstrip. So there's actually a huge mix of Cessnas and Pipers. So there's a mix of like Hondas and Mazdas and Toyotas alongside like Cessnas and Pipers. So it's actually really cool. They also have some vendors over there I'll be checking out. There's actually a few nice cars here. I know that I usually feature things like Lambos and Ferraris and supercars on the channel. That's just because that just happens to be the events that I go to. I do want to feature more like regular cars because most of the people, well, I have sold some parts for Lambos and Ferraris for some of their fuel systems and for like the water cooling systems on the turbos, but most of my buyers of my product are like they own regular cars, so I want to see if we can feature some more of those. So this was a Volvo. I think it's like a Volvo 240, and it's been completely what the heck is going on here? So they have like certain parts dipped, certain parts are there's a lot of sparkle on the valve cover. The front headlights are now LEDs with dragon tint in front of them, with a front-mounted oil cooler. Is this actually functional? Like, is it actually? No, it's not. Okay, that's a disappointment. Would have been cool if they did, but yeah, whatever. That's cool. It's got this clear plastic strip in front of it for some reason. It's a spare wheels. Spike lug. What the hell? That's his exhaust. So they didn't make the oil cooler functional, but they made the exhaust functional. So it actually goes out, comes up into the star, flows through the star, and comes out there. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. This is kind of like I guess like a Bozosoku Volvo 240. All right, so you got this Ford Focus that's all like battle, looks like some kind of World War II fighter plane. But I noticed here that he's got a Brazzers license plate, because I guess this car isn't really getting him laid. And he started it. It doesn't sound very good, but I guess that's not the point.
Next to the bag.
Back
to static.
You going back to static?
The bag popped.
Oh, the bag popped. Oh, shit. What bag system does he have? Shouldn't have bought the cheap one. Ooh, check this out. So we got a Honda Accord, but the seats have been reupholstered in brown leather, and it's quilted. Look at that. It's got a little tray there with a cup holder, and Junction Produce side curtains there. Damn, is there a freaking hookah in there? What the? There's a hookah in here. There's a hookah in the car. Okay. All right. Probably not safe to have something burning while you're moving around, but yeah, I'm sure. All right, so the award ceremony is going down right now. We're going to go over and check that out. There's been a lot of music playing around, so I wasn't really able to give a lot of commentary on the cars. So I just kind of like went around and was just like checking them out, you know.
Best VIP, Nax Whitmore with the LS430.
I thought he was gonna win. I thought he did too.
Best Chevy, fast bow tie with the Chevy Nova. Best truck, Nick Coangelo. Best Dodge, Johnny Rubio. Best Volkswagen, JM Ragusa. The Volkswagen truck right here. Best Toyota, Daryl Seepersad. Best Ford, Brent Hyde. Best back fitment, Ray Alonso with the Honda S2000.
All right, guys, back in the EcoBoost Mustang. Event's over. Everybody's leaving. Everything's winding down. So, all right, guys, back in the EcoBoost Mustang. Everything's winding down. Everybody's leaving. So I heard there's actually a small, sort of like a car meet near FAU. So I'm gonna pop on over there and check that out. All right, so here at the I'm here at the FAU parking lot where they have a little car meet going on. But looks like it's not only is it winding down, but it's also very dark, so I don't think I'll be able to get a lot of good shots. All right, so I got this new LED setup for my camera, and holy shit, it really lights things up. So here we've got looks like an Zenki S14 with a nice LS swap here. What do we have? We got some headers. We got a nice V8. I'm not sure which V8 this is. It might be like an LS2, 3? I don't know. Could be a truck engine for all I know. What else do we have out here? We got a Kuki, got a Mustang. Hey kid, hey, you want to buy some car parts? Huh? You want to buy some car parts? Hold on, let me. Is that better? Is that better? Hey, you want to buy some car parts?
No.
You sure, man? I got what year is this one?
98.
98. Oh, okay, I got nothing for you. I got a 95, but I'm selling over fenders. I have the ECU for a 95, but I don't. It might work. I don't know.
No, I got a aftermarket ECU anyways.
Oh, you know what I've got? I've got the titanium white OEM leather seats for the very rare option. Sure?
I'm good, man.
You sure? $200 bucks.
Nah, I'm good.
I'll knock out $50. Come on. All right.
Keep it as stock as possible.
Well, it's an OEM option for the S14 Kooky. Very rare option. Only 500 came with it.
No.
Think about it. Think about it. What else we got out here at this here car meet? You got these fine people. What's going on? Let's see. There you go. Got a V6 Mustang, Tacoma. There we go. There's something nice. E46 M3 in Titan silver. Is this a cinnamon red interior? Oh shit! Look at that. Oh, it's a manual too. It's got a dealer tag on it. Maybe the guy's a dealer. No, you know, I don't think this is cinnamon. I think this might be Imola red. Imola red on silver. That's a nice combination. All right, guys. So I'm all done here. Leaving the car show. Everybody's left anyway, so it's pretty much just me and a couple friends. So I think I'll end the vlog here. I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.